So we had a bit of a chicken massacre a couple of weeks ago. Actually, the week we were going to pick up our goats, the day we went to pick up our goats, we had a dog come in through the backwoods there, and he took out most of our chickens, except for 3. I think we mentioned that's one of the reasons why we got our farm dogs, and of course our most ferocious farm beast, Goodly Grandma, who's out to get that dog. But in the meantime,
look at my apron.
Oh, she's wearing her apron.
This is my egg apron. I
Okay,
got it from,
well, go check the eggs.
from Susie.
Let's see how it works. There's 2 right here.
Yeah, these are our pretend eggs. We have 2.
Do they fit in the pocket?
Probably.
Let's see how it works. So it's an egg apron, so when she comes out to collect eggs, she can just tuck them each safely in a pocket of the apron, and then just, you know, go inside, and they're not going to get cracked or clinked together. So it's very nice. Thank you, Susie.
But I just need some chickens to lay some eggs now.
So, oh, you need chickens? Well, that's so weird, because I got some chickens. So let's check out the chickens. What are you guys doing, huh? You're coming in to check out the chickens? Make sure you keep them safe. All right. Come here, let's go spend time with our goats. Might need to come up to the gate so you're over the gate. Okay, it's okay, Blue. It's okay, Blue. It's okay, Blue. Alright. Alright. Okay, look, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Alright, so go see the goats. Let's go. Come on, Dan. Feel. Feel. Good boy. Come on up over here. So what we're doing, come on a little closer. So what we're going to do is we're going to let old Dan just spend some time with his goats so that he starts to associate them as part of his family, something to be protected. Except right now he's more interested in sticks. So the training here is really just to let him spend time with goats and let the goats get used to him as well. The first time we introduced the dogs to the goats took off across the field. They thought they were in danger, so they all ran as fast as they could to the other side of the field. So you can see we're making a lot of progress. Right now the goats are not afraid, they're just showing a lot of curiosity towards the dog. And that's a good thing. We like that. So I've got him on a leash, so if he lunges or anything, or if a goat goes after him, I can pull him to me. But right now we just want him to spend some time with the goats.
woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby, got on my way. Cause I'm working till it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's wage. Yeah, I'm up early with the birdies, ready to get dirty. This ain't a song for you if you asleep at 7:30. I rise like the sun on the bag of the pounds, at full throttle in the bottle like that homemade shine. I'm just trying to make a living, boss man tripping, my overtime strong, I don't pay him no attention. Money in the mason jar, country boy pitching. Old lady, 3 kids, take a lot to fill the kitchen. Fingernails dirty, my back stay hurting. You can bet I got a plan for every penny that I'm earning. I ain't asking for a raise, but I know the boss hurt me. Nobody on this job site's working like I'm working. 30 below to 100 degrees, and you ain't pushing hard enough if your hands don't bleed. I'm the first to clock in and the last to leave, and I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves. I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby, got on my way. Cause I'm working till it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's pay. So I'm working even when it's hurting, and that's the only way to make an honest day's wage. I'm out the door by sunup, focused on the come up, we never sleep in. That ain't how we was brought up. I push it to the limit when the money gets low, and been on the work pass when the plant whistle blows. Paycheck feeling like a lottery ticket. I might save a couple bucks if my kids don't spend it. Don't matter cause I love it every day of my life. Spend more time on the clock than I do with my wife. State to state, never late, putting miles on the road. Drop it off, fill it up, get me to my next load. Call my old lady, let her know I'll be late. And I ain't worried cause I know that she gon' save me a plate. I told you 30 below to 100 degrees, and you ain't pushing hard enough if your hands don't bleed. I'm the first to clock in and the last to leave, and I ain't never had a problem rolling up my sleeves. I woke up this morning, tied my boots up, cause I knew it was gonna be a long day. Tied my truck up, grabbed my coffee, kissed my baby,